Abhishek Patel, a proud Navkarite. I have secured 35th rank all over India in CA Final Old course in May 19 attempt. Basically, in order to clear CA in first attempt, you need 5 ingredients. First is you need to be dedicated, 100% dedicated. And you need to be focused. If focus is shifted from studies to any other thing, then you cannot crack it in first attempt. Yes, you can definitely clear the exams in 2 or 3 attempts, but in order to clear in first attempt, you need to be very much focused and dedicated. Second thing, you need to be honest to yourself. You didn't need to prove to anyone else that you are how much intelligent you are. You need to be honest to yourself that what is your progress day by day. And your competitor you are yourself. You cannot compete with anyone else that he has secured 30 marks, so I need 40 marks. That is not the scenario. You need to compete with yourself so that you can measure your progress and you can improve your performance. Next thing is that in CA there is no time-based studies. You cannot say that I have studied 16 hours so I cannot fail. It always needs to be target-based studies. If you do target-based studies, there is no possibility that you cannot achieve any target. So if you have target-based studies, you definitely achieve the results you want and there will be no issue. And if you have target, then even if that completes in 6 hours, there is no need to study for 18 hours or 20 hours. That is enough. Writing practice is very must for your exam in order to clear your exams. May it be Navkar or you write exam sitting at home. But I will suggest that everyone should write maximum exam possible before appearing for exams. I have seen many cases that they have studied very well, but they cannot write in paper. So writing practice is very important. I have appeared for 80 to 90% exams conducted by Navkar, so I can have benefit in ICI exam, that you know what the pattern of paper, what is the environment of exam, and what is the time scenario in which you need to complete your exam. So paper writing is very must in order to clear CA exam in first attempt. And yes, blessings and luck factor is always important in CA exam. I feel that 75% is hard work and 25% is luck or blessings of others. So that 25% is not in your hands. You have to work for 75%, and in order to compensate that 25% luck factor, you have to compensate it from hard work. So you need to give your 150% hard work to compensate your 25% luck and 75% hard work. So there is no possibility that you can't achieve success. Study facility is very much good, that if you attend all the lectures and you give all the exams time by time, there is no hurdle, so you did not require any other support. But even if you require any support, then always faculties and admin staff is supportive, that you get response immediately. So firstly, there is no requirement of extra efforts required if you give your 100% efforts in routine practice, in lectures and exams. But even if there is some problem, there is some mismanagement, then you can definitely consult the faculties or anyone who is concerned with that. You will definitely get that support from Navkar. So in order to clear CA, believe in Navkar and you will definitely get the result. Navkar, we believe in the best.